In this video, I'll be walking you through how to perform a 2-point calibration procedure for the CO channel of ENMET's MedAir 2200 compressed airline monitor. The most common configuration for the MedAir is a 2-channel system for monitoring carbon monoxide and dew point. For demonstration purposes, I am using a 4-channel MedAir 2200 and will be calibrating the carbon monoxide or CO channel. It is important to note that the dew point sensor cannot be calibrated. Dew point sensors should be replaced every 2 years. Before starting a calibration for the CO electrochemical sensor, you must supply air and power to the MedAir 2200 sensor for at least 15 minutes, allowing the sensor to stabilize. For the CO channel 2-point calibration procedure, you will need the following calibration equipment: 20.9% oxygen or clean compressed air from an oil-free air compressor, 20 ppm carbon monoxide, and a calibration regulator assembly. The cylinders will accept the same regulator assembly. To begin the calibration procedure, you'll first need to enter the maintenance menu. To do this, press the option button until Enter Maintenance Menu is displayed. Then you will press Select to enter it. The password you need to enter is 1270, which is the default password. If that one does not work for you, then you may want to try 3663, which is the alternative password. Once you have entered the password, the sub-calibration menu will be displayed. To enter this, press Select. Cycle through the channels using the Option key until the CO channel is displayed. Then press Select to enter the calibration procedure. At this point, you are in the MedAir CO calibration procedure. After pressing the Select button, you will see Low Cal on the bottom row of the display. At this time, attach the 20.9% oxygen zero gas or clean compressed air to the calibration regulator assembly. Then connect the regulator to the instrument and open the valve on the regulator to apply clean air. Allow the signal to stabilize for at least 90 seconds. A small amount of movement in the sensor signal is normal. At this point, the signal should be stable, so you will accept the calibration by pressing the Select to move the cursor over to the right, and when it gets to the last digit, you will press Select one more time for it to accept the 0 cal. Now, for the high cal, you will need to attach the 20 ppm carbon monoxide calibration gas cylinder to the regulator and open the valve on the regulator. You will see the signal on the upper right hand side of the display rise, with the present value on the upper left hand side of the display. Once the signal stabilizes after about 2 minutes, you will accept the calibration. A small amount of movement in the sensor signal is normal. To accept the calibration, you will use the Select key to move the cursor over to the right until Cal OK is displayed. The slope and the offset values will briefly be shown and it will return you to the maintenance menu. Press the Option key until Exit Maintenance Menu appears on the display. Then press Select to return the instrument to the operational mode. Reattach the sample hose from the compressed airline. This completes the MedAir 2200 calibration for the CO channel.